everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is simply spectacular. It's a wonderful modification to a format called a star iron cross. If you want to see a couple of other totally different variations on this, you can check out episode 315 and 374 in the Fold of the Week archive. This one is a special event invitation. This is for the World Golf Hall of Fame and Museum. This was designed by Janet Swaim and the in-house team at World Golf Hall of Fame in St. Augustine, Florida. Printer is the Hartley Press in Jacksonville, Florida. And I wanted you to just see the envelope first. And this is Star Dream Metallic Copper, so it's shimmery and beautiful. They also went to stamps.com and got a custom stamp. It just makes an impression. It says golf's highest honor, and just everything just matches. So anyway, dive right in. You can see here they've kind of carried through this copper. This is foil stamp. This is Sundance felt, 80-pound cover. And you'll see here how there's a little dot of Velcro here, so it kind of looks like a gift or an envelope to open up. It's got a little dot of Velcro to keep it closed. Opens up like this. You can see that beautiful copper trim on the foil, a little seal right here. And as you open it up to reveal, here's your star iron cross. They've modified it, as I said. This has gussets in it, or box scores, two scores near each other, and that's how they're able to get some depth to hold the contents. So that's a really nice modification. Foil stamp and emboss and register, just no detail overlooked. It's really produced impeccably. They did about 750 of these. And then there's this seal. This is more of the Sundance felt. There's a beautiful ribbon around it. And this is Curious Translucent Pearl. It's got a map of New York City on it. This one was produced specifically for the induction ceremony that was hosted in New York City during the President's Cup. So there's a New York City theme, New York City map. And so they wrapped these ribbons around. You could slide it off too, I guess. That might have been easier. And then unwrap. And in here, there's more of the Sundance felt. These are all just different. Oops, there's your little response mechanism, and then these little cards with information. And these were either printed with a single navy blue PMS color or foil stamped in the copper. So just beautiful, beautiful design, execution, concept. The full package is amazing. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Modified star iron cross invitation. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if and I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.